Hello and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Fresh in stock, we do have the fantastic Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace 2.0TDI R line, finished in the modernised deep black pale paintwork. This 2023 model is the ideal spacious family upgrade, offering a total of 7 seats and even the optional tow bar for those explorers. It does also come with a powerful 2-litre TDI engine, alongside plenty of advanced features, including your power folding and heated door mirrors for added protection, LED headlights for full illumination, and even a power operated tailgate for easy access. This will reveal an impressive 700 litre capacity for all your travel essentials, whilst it can easily be transformed in seconds to make space for an extra 2 passengers. Stepping into your rear interior, you are complemented by the luxurious part leather finish with access to your pull down armrest and essential climate vents and power outlets. Moving into your front now, you will find your full leather multifunctional steering wheel for driver convenience, with access to your digital cockpit and central touch display. You do have more than enough storage in your central console, dividing your 2 very stylish embroidered front part leather seats, once again very comfortable. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls, including your heated steering wheel option and adaptive cruise control, keeping you a safer distance out on the open road, alongside your options to easily navigate around your cockpit screen, displaying vital driving data and even your built-in navigation system. Moving across, you do even have your app connect with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and MirrorLink for quick access to all your preferred audio and apps. Or if you wish, you do have a wide selection of radio stations, keeping you entertained. As previously shown, you do have your built-in navigation system, equipped with all your points of interest. Of course, you can display all your driving data to easily keep an eye on the overall condition, alongside further safety with your IQ Drive, parking sensors and rear view camera, which will be activated when you do pop the car into reverse. Going back to your home screen and flicking across, you do also have access to your 3-zone climate control, meaning you and your front travelling passenger and rear can have a set temperature, followed just below by your main touch buttons and of course your 2 front heated seats for the winter months. You do also have several power outlets, a wireless charging pad and plenty of storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 01978 503 516 or inquire online now.